If your Windows 11 screen keeps randomly going black, this video will walk you through quick checks and fixes to get your display back to normal. Let's get started. Check your cables. Make sure your monitor cables are plugged in securely, both ends. If you have a spare cable, swap it in to rule out a bad wire. Scan for corrupted system files. For that, click on the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, click on Run as Administrator. Now over here, you'll need to type in sfc /scan now and hit enter. This scans your core system files. This might take few minutes. Next up, turn off screensaver. For that, search for change screensaver. After option appears, click on it. Now here you're gonna find this option screensaver. Click on the drop down and set it to none. Check power options. Click on Start menu. Search for control panel. Launch it. Make sure VY is set to large icons. Now click power option. Select high performance. Click change plan settings. Make sure everything's set to never. Tap change advanced power settings. Expand PCI Express. Expand link state power management. Set both options to off. Hit apply and OK. Update drivers. Search for device manager. Launch it. Expand display adapters. Right click your graphics card. Click Update Driver. Click Search automatically. If you have more than one graphics card, do it for each. Likewise, expand monitors too. Update its driver as well. Next, check refresh rate. Launch settings, head over to the option system. Click on Display. Scroll down, Advanced Display. Fine, choose a refresh rate. Pick the highest number available, example 120 Hz. Update Windows. For that, launch settings. Click on the option Windows Update. Click check for updates and install anything pending. And that's it. Follow these steps and your random black screen issue will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.